WebFX Promotion Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people assume online promotions are simple marketing campaigns, but WebFX offers a full-service approach to digital marketing that can scale your business. WebFX is a marketing agency providing SEO, PPC, social media, web design, and lead generation services. One standout feature is its data-driven strategy. Campaigns are tailored using analytics and performance tracking to maximize ROI. Most people get this wrong. They assume agencies provide generic services. The surprising truth is WebFX assigns dedicated account managers and uses proprietary software to track results, ensuring campaigns are customized to your business goals. For example, their SEO team can improve organic rankings, while PPC campaigns drive targeted traffic with measurable conversions. Another advantage is transparency. WebFX provides detailed monthly reports showing exactly what's working and where your budget is going. This level of insight helps businesses make informed decisions and adjust strategies quickly. However, there are considerations. Services are premium priced, which may be a barrier for small startups. Success also depends on ongoing collaboration and content from your team to maximize results. In conclusion, WebFX is ideal for businesses seeking a professional, data-driven marketing approach. Its combination of custom campaigns, dedicated support, and measurable results makes it a strong choice for serious digital marketing growth. Subscribe for more honest marketing agency reviews before investing in promotional services.